Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Hoops and Homemaking. Why is it called Hoops and Homemaking? Because my husband loves to play basketball and I love homemaking, and we both love Jesus. So I wanted to show you my Bible bag that I made. This is not some new concoction. This is something that everybody is doing out there on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. But I wanted to show you mine. So I picked up this bag at Hobby Lobby, along with these iron-on patches, but I also got some iron-on patches from Amazon. And my daughter and I and my son's girlfriend, we had a really nice night of a Christian woman's craft night, and all we did was just put patches all over our bags. And this bag, I'm telling you guys, it's the perfect bag for carrying your Bible. It's just the perfect size. You can fit all your pens and whatever you need in this pocket. Or even if you weren't going to carry your Bible anywhere, but you're just going to keep your Bible in this bag and at home, around your living room or in your bedroom, to carry it from room to room, this is the perfect bag to keep everything together. Hope you guys are having a great day. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.